The enjoyment we get out of driving a powerful and well-set-up car is unparalleled. And when it comes to driving thrills in the compact SUV segment, the Kia Sonet remains unchallenged with its wide range of engine and gearbox options. For petrol lovers, there's the powerful and exciting 1-litre turbo engine, while the 1.5-litre diesel engine packs some serious grunt and yet delivers class-leading efficiency. What's more, the Sonet is offered in 4 transmission options, which includes a quick-shifting dual-clutch automatic, an effortless torque converter, a slick manual gearbox, and last but not least, there's the option of the clever and convenient integrated manual transmission, which gives you the control of a manual without the hassle of a clutch pedal. The Sonet's peppy and efficient powertrains are complemented by a well-balanced suspension. Not only is the Sonet fun to drive, but it also rides beautifully on good and bad roads. With an impressive array of engine and transmission options, it is suffice to say that there's a Sonet for everyone out there.